Now, the website has come a long way in leveling the playing field for job seekers and employers alike. As the unemployed ranks continue to rise or swell across the world, graduates are now turning to websites to seek the perfect opportunity for employment. The following report tells us of 3 Nigerian young men who have created an interactive job-seeking platform of a kind. They call it Jobaman.
When Nigerian university lecturers went on strike in 2009, 3 students took the opportunity to build their idea. Instead of slacking off, Ayedeji Adewumi, Olalekan Olude and Opeyemi Awoyemi started an online job search company. 5 years later, their startup, Jobaman, has received a multi-million-dollar valuation, employs 125 people, and is still growing.
A client sends in the job, they post the job online, they have access to their account. They sign into their account and click on post a job. When they click on post a job, it comes here and we need to approve. And before we approve, we call the client to get more details from the client on the job.
While Nigeria is Africa's largest economy, it is still faced with an employment problem, particularly among the young people. Jobaman has become the single largest job placement website in sub-Saharan Africa, helping over 35,000 people find jobs.
We help them write a proper job description to get the right kind of candidate, and we type that in here under the job descriptions. Then some of them have some key areas they want the applicants to have, some qualifications. We fill it under here, and the years of experience.
The number of companies using the site to find employees has grown from 40 in 2009 to 30,000 today.
We've been able to uniquely get jobs, right, that have been targeted to Jobaman subscribers, for example, and we've had a tremendous growth in in people being called for interviews and getting jobs on the portal. So in that way, we've had our own share, I must say, of value to the unemployment market and the employment market.
Despite the growth, they have also faced challenges.
The most compelling challenge will still be just trying to convince people, trying to educate them on an ongoing basis, because it's pretty much a change in behavior of people that typically will go to an headhunter or go to a recruiting agency to be able to place their candidate, or go to the newspaper to advertise their jobs. And now we're now saying to them that they should come to us because we give them the best chance of placing those candidates, or the best chance of finding a job. So definitely it's a major challenge.
But as other online business grows and become trusted, so Jobaman thrives. Rading Biko reporting for WTV.